I haven't seen hail at all this year. What? It is hailing. That is hail. Oh, you scared me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wow, look.
It's hailing too.
Dang.
It's hailing too.
Yeah, there's a little bit of hail on in the back there.
Wow.
Wow, it's really coming down.
Oh man.
There's already a tiny river going.
I know. I see it. I know.
If you see any lightning, I want you to the side.
Look at that hail. Oh my God. Well, that was the first time I've seen hail this year. Look at all this rain. Yeah, that was quite a bit of hail, actually. Oh, hail's back. Okay, there it is. There it is. Yep, hail's falling again. Wow. Incredible. Alright guys, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys the other way. The other yeah, the back door. Show you guys what it looks like. Back door view. Yeah. Rather. Ooh.
Wow, it's really coming down.
It's hard to see. Sorry, guys. Here.